Hi, my name is Caterine Garzón. Present continued. Juan, Antonio, and Carlos are brother. They enjoy their jokes and spending time with their family. Collage. Juan is a teacher and he is singer. A son to his student. They are having a laugh of fun. Antonio is preparing dinner for his parents. He is playing with the ingredients. It is Saturday and Carlos and his family are cleaning the house since it is so dirty. Carlos takes his girlfriends to a disco. He is dancing very well. After an afternoon of dancing, they both find themselves watching a horror movie. Thank you. Bye bye.